order required by the assembly lines. The conveyor passes through all the sub-assembly sections and along the main assembly lines, delivering the necessary parts to where they are needed. The crown wheel assembly is lowered onto its bearing and rotates freely. With the narrow conveyor track supporting only the center unit and the engine and rear axle overhanging on either side, the operators can work all round the tractor without hindrance. The delivery rate to the stores of details supplied by outside contractors is controlled by the Material Control Department. The tractor leaves the end of the assembly lines and is transferred to the wheel fitting station. The hydraulically operated jacking cradle rises to support the tractor whilst the wheels are attached. These are guided into position by floor rails